Hello everyone, it's glorious autumn, isn't it? This is the Autumn Spectacular, here we go, at Rushmore. I'm the southwest side of Rushmore Estate in North Dorset. All of a sudden, the rain clouds have dispersed and the stunning cobalt blue sky has appeared above the burnt oranges, yellows, and still little bits of splashes of green in the beech forest here. Look at that. It's all beech trees beyond and hazel. It's stunning. All the way down through the valley to Tollard Royal, which is beyond, and Sixpenny Handley. I have explored this area for quite a while now in different seasons. I've not seen this side of Rushmore in the Autumn Festival of Colour, but this is a scene I'm definitely going to paint in watercolour, and I don't do blue skies very often, but this contrast, I'm totally inspired. I've got to paint it. So I'll either paint that scene there, or closer to me, this scene. Beech trees in autumn, I think I'll call it. And I'll probably use, I don't know, sometimes I use 3 colours and sometimes I use 4. I think I've definitely got to use a burnt sienna or a raw sienna. Vermilion, this time, yes, it would either be cerulean blue or cobalt, and gamboge yellow, my favourite. You could use yellow ochre, but I think if you want the strength, use gamboge or cadmium yellow.